it's Nerf King. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Rival Atlas. I unboxed it already, so I'm just gonna tell you about it and do stuff, and I'm gonna do the firing test. I'm gonna set you right there so I can sit on the bed and do the review. So, this is the Rival Atlas. Turn it to the other side. This is the Rival Atlas. So it comes with a 12-round magazine, tactical rail. It's not Slamfire, but it has a pump grip. It has 2 barrels. This one's fake. The top one's fake. It's not real. But this one, both of them come out with this one. There's a little mini sight. Let me see it. See the little mini sight? Put it on. Don't like it. But I don't really like the mini sight because you can't really see out of it. Can't really see out of the sight. But doing the firing test. Let's go. Comment down below. What's your favorite Nerf blaster? Sorry guys for that, but let's do the firing test. See that little target right there? See that little target in the background? That's what I'm aiming at. Wait, what? What's going on? There we go. Now I'm firing. Sorry guys. Oh, mess up. Yeah, let's pick it back up. There we go. Okay, well that's the firing test. It's Nerf King Slamang. Ah! Bye! Peace. Signing off. Let go. Bye.